Do you want to get rid of plaque and tartar and obtain whiter teeth? But with binge drinking, smoking and caffeine becoming a major part of our lives, our dental care routine seems to have been ignored. All of these inevitably lead to staining and poor oral health. In spite of the dentist's trademark advice like brush twice a day and floss and use a mouthwash, we tend to very innocently choose callousness. Fret not, here are some simple home remedies for removing dental plaque. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes acid and helps kill bacteria. Put a small amount of baking soda on your toothbrush, around a tablespoon is fine, and then wet the toothbrush. Brush your teeth like you normally would with toothpaste and then rinse. You can also replace a little bit of the baking soda with a pinch of salt and follow the same instructions. Use an orange peel. The limousine in orange peels is known for breaking down plaque, while vitamin C can help combat microorganisms that contribute to plaque. Take an orange peel and rub the inside or white part of it on your teeth. You can even do this right before bed. Don't rinse afterward, so it sits overnight and has more time to fight harmful bacteria. Try aloe vera. Aloe vera is an antibacterial, so it can help kill the bad bacteria that lead to plaque. You can either use an aloe vera plant, often found in grocery stores or home stores, or aloe vera juice. With an aloe vera plant, take a leaf, cut it open, and extract the pulp. Rub this pulp onto your teeth. Let it sit for around 10 minutes and then rinse with water. If you're using aloe vera juice, take 1 cup of it and distill it with about half a cup of water. Swish this mixture around in your mouth and then spit. Eat cheese. Cheese has been shown to prevent cavities because it leaves a protective coating on teeth, shielding them from decay causing acid. It also results in rising pH levels in your mouth, which fights acid. Try snacking on some cheddar or Swiss. Don't forget about regular dental cleanings. While these home remedies could help you out in the short term, it's important to visit the dentist every 6 months so we can professionally remove any plaque. We can also give you some tips for at-home care so you avoid plaque in the first place.